Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your username on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on the More button in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Settings at the top. Then click on Account at the top, which is the first option. Click onto the Name section to change your name. And below you can also change your username if you would like to. Type it in. And you can also change your email address. When you are done with adding this information, click on the Save button in the middle of the screen and all of these changes will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.